Welcome to Grammar Unit Lessons from BM Training Solutions. I used to past simple tense. मैं किया करता था. विकास कुछ साल पहले साइकिल चलाता था. विकास used to ride a bicycle. आज विकास मोटरसाइकिल चलाता है. Now he rides a motorbike. Vikas used to ride a bicycle. He rides a motorbike. विकास बाइसिकल चलाया करता था. चलिए समझते हैं I used to का उपयोग कहां होता है. I used to talks about some activities that were regularly done in the past but they are not done now. पहले भूतकाल में हम कोई चीज, कोई क्रिया पहले बहुत समय तक किया करते थे पर अब उसे बिल्कुल नहीं करते हैं. चलिए एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. लेट्स लुक एट सम एग्जाम्पल्स इन पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड क्वेश्चन फॉर्म फॉर यूज्ड टू. With I, we, you, they, he, she, it, we'll use used to. And then the first form of verb, which is travel, go, work, drive. For example, I used to travel by train. We used to travel by train. You used to travel by train. They used to travel by train. She used to travel by train. It used to be a great life. In a negative sentence, we'll say, I did not used to travel. I did not used to travel by bus. We did not used to travel by bus. You did not used to travel by bus. She did not used to travel by bus. It did not used to be this way. अगर हमको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करना है used to के साथ तो हम did पहले यूज करेंगे, उसके बाद I, we, you, they, he, she, it और उसके बाद used to और उसके बाद क्रिया. Did I used to go? Did we used to go? Did you used to go? Did they used to go? Did he used to go? Did she used to go? Did it work fine? The structure is subject plus used to plus verb 1 plus object. I used to forward bulk mails. Now I have stopped doing that. मैं bulk mails फॉरवर्ड किया करता था. अब मैंने उसे बंद कर दिया है. अब मैं उसे बिल्कुल नहीं करता. We used to ask for plastic bags at the malls. Now we carry a cloth bag. You used to be lazy and obese. Now you are active and fit. मेरे मित्र बचपन में क्रिकेट खेला करते थे. My friends used to play cricket in childhood. They are very busy now. अब वो बहुत व्यस्त हैं. अब वो क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते. Purav used to react aggressively. Now he is assertive. Lara used to watch the news only in Hindi. Now she watches in English too. Our company used to have few clients. Now we have many. In negative, we use the order subject plus did not plus used to plus verb 1 plus object. In college, I didn't used to speak to strangers. Now I make friends easily. मैं कॉलेज में अनजान लोगों से बात नहीं किया करता था. अब मैं आसानी से मित्र बनाता हूं. Supriya didn't used to wake up early. Supriya wakes up early now. Let's look at framing a question with WH words. As we know, WH will be the first word. Did will be the helping verb. Next will be the subject, which is Meera, which is she. Used to, and then the first form of verb, which is get up, place, like, come, and then the object, which is so early. Why did Meera used to get up so early? How often did they used to place bulk orders of our product? Which movies did you used to like as a teenager? जब तुम टीनेजर थे तो कौन सी मूवीज पसंद किया करते थे? Did it used to come with free accessories? क्या यह फ्री एसेसरीज के साथ आया करता था? As this is past simple, the present is subject plus verb 1. अगर हमको वर्तमान काल की बात करना है तो हम उसे subject और verb 1 का उपयोग करेंगे. We used to procrastinate work. We do it on time now. So do it is the present simple tense. Mobile phones used to cost a lot. Now they cost less. वर्तमान काल में अगर कोई हकीकत की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम सिर्फ V1 यूज करेंगे, which is cost in this case. Thank you.